Welcome to Sylvia Stingray. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Sylvia, your Yuri Manhwa translator. Hey guys, good morning. Let me present you the new chapter of Empress, I Only Want to Date My Wife. Chapter 7, Part 1, so here it is. Let's read the story. Kuning, right now, she already noticed that there's an assassin, but it seems to have left. Well, it seems that he only fired an arrow and the assassins left after reaching the arrow's inside. Come and see, there's a note tied to this arrow, the girls said to them. Well, looking at the Empress and also Kuning, they seem to be worried on what's happening. Well, we can see that Kuning at this moment, Empress, heavenly sacrifice ceremony. So it turns out the arrow message is about the Empress and sacrificing on the ceremony, a ceremony of offering sacrifices to heaven. Well, talking to yourself, it seems that the Empress, she looks really in shock. And also, what do you think? What are you going to do? 5 days later, after that incident, the martial arts field, it seems to be, they're really practicing well, so they can able to defend herself, especially for Kuning. Seems to be serious on getting trained by this. Now it makes sense, since she's really getting tired. She uncovered her clothes and trying to fix it. Now it makes sense. Everyone seems to be exhausted, probably because of the hard training. Now everyone, they need to be ready. If someone's gonna attack them, of course, they really need to learn martial arts and things. Kuning, she looks really serious with that look and said, come again. These two girls, they need to attack her so they can really learn how to defend themselves. As an expert, of course, Kuning, it was really not enough for her. This level is not enough to be able to protect themselves and also to defeat the assassins that will come through from them. Now, it makes sense. Look at her. No, if you continue, the commander-in-chief will destroy it, but it seems to be she got easily defeated by Kuning without putting so much effort, and it really makes sense. The two of them are really tired today and said, I'm so exhausted. The commander-in-chief tried too hard. Well, it seems that these two, they're really complaining, but for Kuning, she was only relaxing. Could it be that she really not put an effort to defeat these two girls in front of her? Well, let's see on what's gonna happen. This is really getting interesting. Kuning, skill, Tiger Freak, currently has cultivated to Mahayana stage. Finally reached the Mahayana stage. I didn't study so seriously when I was in high school. Now, it makes sense since she was unlocking some talents. Well, she get up and said to herself, it's almost time. Well, for her, she needs to be serious. After fixing herself, these two, they look really tired. Also, she seems to be hesitating. Could it be that she can see on passport about something? Well, now, current missions facing the impending assassination. How are you prepared? So, there's a lot of rules and set. Currently available number of breeds are two. The system said in confronting her. Now, it makes sense. On her mind, she can tell, I'm ready. There are still 2 hours left before the ceremony of offering sacrifice to heaven. So it turns out she needs to go as well. Also, the ceremony of offering sacrifices to heaven is held every 4 years at Lingon Mountain, the birthplace of the dragon in the Dafeng. Now, it makes sense. It seems to be it's getting scary. That time, all the monarchs have to wait and Linguan Hall and burn incense on the Dafeng altar. Well, the progress, it seems to be getting slower, but seems that they're really willing. According to ancestor rules, no one is allowed to be present when the monarch is beating, so it turns out she can beat her to guide the Empress itself also, she can be well protected. What are the violation of ancestor rules isn't just for sending the Empress into the jaws of assassin. Now, she was clearly thinking about this. She knew to herself that the Empress, she will be vulnerable target of this. Now, oh no, Ning Ning must be angry. The Empress knows that she is really angry by this, that she is really exposed by the assassins because of that rules. Now, when she go inside, look at her. She was going to take a bath. No one's inside of Lingan Hall, only the Empress itself. But right now, the Empress, she seems to be hesitating. Look at her. She was still staring on the fool. Could it be that she was really afraid without Kuning by her side? Probably she was really exhausted and also got really afraid of person like a bedroom. Now it makes sense. She was staring around that hole. It seems that there's some things are burning. Speaking of which, I have been avoiding Ning Ning these days. Why? Why do you do this? Now she was questioning herself why suddenly she was acting rough on her. But it seems that the reason you can tell me why you trust the Empress so much. I do not trust Ning Ning. Oh, there's a lot of things are bothering on her mind and she must really puzzled about this. Also, she was still hesitating until she was soaking on the pool at this moment. Well, probably there's a lot of things on her mind. That's why she was blushing and also she became silent until I don't believe myself. Look at her. She was trying to float on the pool. Well, this might be dangerous for her since she was only alone and no one's gonna watch her. Kuning clearly saved me but I still betrayed her. Trust, it's my fault. I decided next time I see Ning Ning, I must apologize sincerely. But suddenly, at this moment, she was going to sleep and remembers what? Now it makes sense since she fell down the pool. She must really terrified by this. We can see that it seems to be she is really struggling. Now, finally, the two of them are being met, but still, look at her. She's unconscious. Probably she was really hurt. Kuning said, Your Majesty, are you okay? Well, someone seems to know the Empress is inside and she was taking a bath this moment. Well, we can really wait to see on what's gonna happen next. Hey guys, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Membership is already open. For those who want to support, you can support me by joining a membership or you can directly support me by a Ko-Fi. Thank you, bye!